Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin Forerunner 55. First, ensure your watch is fully charged using the provided USB cable, which typically takes about 1 hour. Next, download the Garmin Connect app to your smartphone from your app store. Then, pair your watch with the app via Bluetooth to seamlessly synchronize your activity data. Finally, complete your user profile within the app, entering details like your weight and height for accurate tracking. Once set up, tracking your activities is straightforward. To begin, press the top right button on your watch to access the activity menu. From there, select your preferred activity, such as run or walk, using the up and down buttons. It's important to wait for the GPS signal to acquire, usually indicated by a green ring, before you start your workout. When finished, press the top right button again to stop and save your activity data. Your Forerunner 55 offers many ways to personalize your experience. You can easily customize watch faces and data screens directly through the Garmin Connect app to display your preferred metrics. Explore the adaptive training plans available, which can help you achieve goals like running a 5-kilometer race. Set up custom alerts for pace, heart rate, or distance to stay on track during your workouts. Review performance metrics, such as VO2 max and recovery time, to optimize your training. To ensure your Forerunner 55 continues to perform its best, regular care is essential. Charge your watch consistently. A full charge can provide up to 20 hours of GPS tracking or up to 14 days in smartwatch mode. After intense workouts, clean the watch and strap with fresh water to prevent buildup. Remember to enable power-saving modes, like turning off GPS when not needed, to significantly extend your battery duration between charges.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.